Hey guys, this is Declan Kopke, and this is my first vlog. So out now. Right now we're outside playing with toy dirt bikes and stuff on our toy dirt bike track. This is my toy dirt bike, and I think later we're gonna probably go on the trampoline and probably do a drawing contest, I think. So, and in the comments, you guys need to say who got the best, who had the best drawing. Well, I don't care. Grayson, what are you doing?
I don't even know.
Show us a lap around the outdoors.
The outdoors? No, me. I'm on the KTM and I'm better. So.
Okay, Grayson, you'll do the Supercross cut. Okay, let's go up. Okay, and Grayson, you can do the Supercross now. Okay. Okay, go. Hit the triple. Okay, so that's a lap. What was that there? Do it again. No, what'd you do after it?
Dabbing on them haters.
Okay. Hey, Tone, will you record me for a little bit on the trampoline?
Yeah.
Oh, he sent it. As you can see, I have way better vlogging skills than him. Oh! 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 Oh!
And I'll just do a front 360. Okay.
He just sent it.
Don't end it. Don't end it.
I'm not gonna end it. What are you doing?
I'm gonna start my vlog. It's my first vlog.
Yeah.
Why are you following me?
Why are you so big?
Hey!
And we have a real life dirt bike track in our backyard. See? And there's a double and a double. And I think we're gonna go inside a little bit and doing a drawing contest. This isn't gonna be that long because it's my first vlog and I don't want to make it too long, so you guys actually watch the whole thing. So I'll catch back at you when we're doing the drawing contest. Okay, we're back inside and we're gonna do the drawing contest. Everybody's getting set up. This is gonna be my tripod, so unless I can find something better, I'll probably find something better. And I'm gonna do a time lapse of it, so see you guys there. I just finished.
Can I show you guys?
Hold on, I just finished. That's mine. So that's number 1, number 2, and
Number 3. So tiny.
number 3. Okay?
Obviously, number 1 is the winner.
So we have to give them all the way up to Tobin. We have to give them to Tobin.
You have to give them to me. Well, you guys can judge in the comments of his video,
Yeah.
but
So
that one's pretty
it
easy.
went like this.
Okay, guys, so now I'm going to show you.
Okay, so 1,
Number 1 is obviously the winner.
1. Oh my gosh, it won't focus.
1 is the winner.
1,
2 is alright.
So
2,
now I'm gonna
This
show
one, if it wasn't like,
3.
what the hell are these, Grayson?
1,
what. So comment
Are these?
2,
in the comments below. One.
What are these?
Oh, motors? 4 motors.
Grayson, you can't see inside the car.
Okay, so it's the end of the vlog, and I'll catch you guys later.
And
Wait, hold on. Never mind.
yeah.
And
I'm not gonna do any 2 video, but
bye.